to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In the workshop today I'm recycling some old threaded rod to make some tool clamping bolts for the lathe. So let's go into the workshop and see how we do it. This is a piece of threaded bar, I think it was 10mm. I've turned this down to 8mm, and on the very end I'm just turning it down to 5mm diameter. .18, and this is what we're making. It's a tool clamping bolt. So what I want to do now is get the length and part it off. Okay, so I need to set my parting off tool square. I'll just wind it back a bit. Use the square on my chuck, and then get that square, lock it up. Now I've aligned the parting off tool, this edge with the end of the bar, and I'll move in. I've moved my tool across 32mm, and now I'll go in and turn a diameter to remove the thread. Just remove the thread, go across a bit more, just make it wider. I've moved the part out so I can make two in one go. So there's one at that end and turn it round, one at that end. So I'll part this off here. I've turned it round, faced off the end. I want to come in 21mm. It's near enough 8mm. On the end again, I want to turn 5 diameter, 4 deep. That'll do 5.16. Guide bar is in the tailstock. This is the M8 die I'm using. This is a split die, that's so I can open that up with this little grub screw at the side. Now the reason why I'm using this die is because it has a split in it rather than this one, which is the same thread with no split. That means with this one I can't adjust it, so I'm taking the full depth of cut off on the die. Where with this one I can adjust it by tightening the grub screw up on the side, opens this out, so you're taking less off, and I'll have 2 goes at cutting that. I have 2 different sizes, and this lever operates a cone inside which locks up, so when it's central this will just rotate, won't cut, and when I lock the cone it fixes it. And this is a revolving die holder which comes in a kit from HemingwayKits.com. So let's have a look. I just bring that in, you see that's revolving, not doing anything. As soon as I lock, it starts to cut. It's moving in the chuck. Start the chuck up a bit, start it up again, lock it. With this holder I don't have to worry when the die comes to the end. I can just release the lever and it will spin. Let's come up to the end, let's reverse it. I've cut the thread on each side. Now what remains is to machine a square in the middle of the two parts. So it will give me this. I'll set up the milling machine with a dividing head to cut the square. So that's an 8mm square. I've moved back to the lathe. Now all I have to do is part this one off and then face this. And before I part that right off, I want to see whether I can just put a chamfer on the top. I don't know whether I can get in there with that. There's the finished screw. All I have to do is see if it fits on the spanner. Yeah. There's the other one. That's another job done. Oh well, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.